talents because we were following the old Macaulay system of education. And so people are forced to study, read, and by heart things which are of very little importance in their day-to-day life or in the practical life. With the new NEP, we have a vast field of talents and resources that are nurtured and uplifted in human consciousness. It's very important to see the personality of a student is built. In Hindi we say patrata. Patrata, it's the ability to digest, acquire, and to propagate knowledge must be given. And that is possible when we uplift the consciousness of a student, when we nurture the consciousness. And the present education policy has a lot of room towards that direction. And so the talents, that's a natural gift of the divine in the lives of human beings, are given a better opportunity to blossom. And we need to bring vibrant personality. If you see in the past 70, 80 years of our nation, people are graduated, they acquire big degrees, but they are unable to handle themselves, their life, and then take on challenges. A good education system brings creative impulses in youth and bring them a vibrant personality which can stand up to any occasion. And I'm sure with, you see, we have such a great panel. Our minister spoke, and then we have our people like Vandana Shiva and Mohandas Pai, and look at them, when they take up something, it's something that everybody will sit up and look up to, So when Vandana Shiva speaks anywhere in the world, and that's it, she will keep everyone spellbound. And she presents the points, it's so well. And then Mr. Murthy, Rohit, Kansalji, all of them, we have such a panel of brilliance here. And these, hello?
Yes, Gurudev, we can hear you. Gurudev.
You can hear me? Yeah.
Yeah.
I am moving through a jungle here. So, yeah. So it's such, we do have talents. We do have talents in this country, and with all the inspiration and association of many brilliant minds in this country, we will be able to achieve greater heights, in short period of time. I'm very hopeful of it. Indian education, we have been known for education for thousands of years. Now we will reclaim our expertise in education, and people will have to come to this country from all over the world to seek higher education, even primary education. Yeah? Wonderful. All the best to everyone. I'm with you all. Let's all together make a vibrant and beautiful education system which would nurture this country and the world at large.